Hey guys, today we have an Asus laptop, Asus k54h, x54h, k54l. It came in here for the power jack replacement. This piece right here, people have to push the connector in to make the connection work. And what we do here, we replace them at $100 total, or $60 if you send us just the motherboard. And we are based outside of Chicago, so you could stop by. We could fix it right away. I'm gonna show you how to fix it yourself. So here, let me show you. First of all, we need to power up the soldering iron, because by the time I take it apart, the soldering iron needs to be hot. There is supposed to be a screw here, but it's missing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one right here. So you take this part out. Here you got one screw right here, right here, right here. Here, and you want to take the hard drive out. Okay. Okay. Flip this guy over and remove the keyboard like that. Here you want to disconnect the hinge by moving the connector downwards. This guy goes here like that. Okay. Disconnect it here. Alright. Right, screw right here and screw right here. Okay. Now you wanna disconnect the CD-ROM and pop the not the pop here. 2 screws right here. 1 and 2. Okay. Disconnect that. Okay. 1, 2. So 1 and 2 screws right here. And disconnect this cable right here. Pop this guy out. Set this aside. And I will show you where the damage is at, but you need to take the heatsink out. Okay, so the damage is right here. You see this break right here in the jack? It's not supposed to be happening. So when you push the jack in, this piece makes the contact, but because it cracked right there, it doesn't make the contact anymore. Okay, so you see, this new jack doesn't have that crack, but the old jack does have a crack right here, and that's how it's supposed to be. It should be one solid piece. All right. So now we're gonna take the jack off of there. Jack, привет. Sure. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. We want some thermal paste here, but not here, because there's a thermal pad right there. So put it back on like that. So basically that's a new jack right there. Alright. We're gonna screw in the 4 screws. Alright. Let's hold up like that. Make sure the fan is connected. Like that and like that. Okay. Connect this cable for your USB. Connect this for your sound. And connect this for your VGA. Okay. Like that. Now you will screw in the fan and the board right there. Okay. Okay. Here. Here. Right there. And I think I need to put the CD-ROM first, but before I'm gonna put the CD-ROM, I need to screw in 2 screws right here. And right here. So put the CD-ROM in, flip it over, and screw this guy in place. Okay. Connect the keyboard, close the okay. And now you wanna close this. And that. And that like that. Here, so we have to put the screw right here. And right here. Right there as well. Okay, we've been missing like 3 or 4 screws here, and I just added some that I had laying around. We just have one missing right there, but anyways, here. Okay, this is something that's also not correct. It shouldn't be looking like that. Alright, so straighten it out the best you can. Like that. Plug in the cord. Again, the battery is out. We connect the power supply. Do we get any lights? Press the power button, the battery is out. And we got the asus. We just had an asus right there. So it keeps powering up, and that's the battery right there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Again, we are at powerjackrepair.net, and leave a like. Again, it's a solid connection, and everything is working right there. Again, plugged in, and no battery, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.